Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Synthesia to make faceless YouTube videos. Yeah, if you want to create professional content without ever showing your face on camera, this tool is perfect because honestly, it lets you produce videos quickly while keeping them polished and engaging. So first, sign up or log in to Synthesia and click Create Video. Uh, Choose an AI presenter from the library, and you can customize their look and voice to match the style of your channel. Next, write or paste your script. Yeah, Synthesia will automatically generate natural-sounding narration from your text, so you don't need to record a voiceover, which is great for faceless content. After that, pick a video template and background. You can upload your own images, slides, or screen recordings to match your topic, or use Synthesia's pre-built visuals to keep it professional. Also, add captions, scene transitions, and animations. Yeah, these small details make your video easier to follow and visually appealing for viewers, keeping them engaged from start to finish. And yeah, preview your video carefully so
Use
when
this title
everything looks
card
good,
to have your
render and
avatar.
download the final version ready to upload to YouTube without ever showing your face. Finally, experiment with different presenters, voices, and visual styles. Most of the time, Synthesia allows you to produce high-quality, faceless videos quickly, making content creation simple and scalable. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.